Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, East Central Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Pottawatomie County in southwestern Iowa, until 2:30 a.m. At 1:57 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Red Oak, or 29 miles west of Corning, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Red Oak around 2:05 a.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Elliott. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Mills, Montgomery, and Pottawatomie.